Yeah, so right now what I'm doing is just scaling through the hair, making for sure that I'm happy with what the results are looking. And as I make the part, you can see the coolness. And I believe the previous frames that you've shot, you'll see that she started out with a very warm level 9. And now she's at a cool level 9. So I found that little spot and kind of go in there and cover that one up.
So when you put it on, it's white, but you can actually see it processing blue.
Right. And that's the oxidization of the color. Right now, it's the oxygen is working with the color to develop it, or develop the color molecules, so that they turn. They're going in there coupling with the natural pigment of her hair. Watching through there. She's pretty much well developed. I have one of these automatic, after doing color so many years, you have an automatic timer in the hair. So she really can go about the 20 minutes because I'm looking at the hair. It looks like it might be ready, but granted, if it looks like the color you want, you need at least 5 or 10 more minutes to process, because right now, even clients sometimes they say, oh my, it's too light. Okay, but when you rinse it, then the true color comes back 1 level darker, 1/4 of a level darker. So I've learned now to gauge what I see here and add time to it, because what I see here, I like it. But granted, if I rinse it, we're going to still see, like right here, there's still a little teeny bit of warmth. So she needs about 5 more minutes, but it looks like it's where we want it to be. But granted, it's not. So
that's a very helpful tip.
Yes, I had to learn that many times. I've rinsed people off and put them right in front of the mirror.